Storage market has witnessed huge transformation. In the last few years, new and advanced technology has changed the way we used to access our data. Now, with the adoption of 5G and IoT technologies, a lot has changed. All these evolution in this space has brought immense opportunity for business in India. Let me call upon Mr. Rajesh Khurana, Country Manager, Vivint Technology, to share more on the storage market.
Guys, this is a very exciting moment for the Indian IT industry. The reason I tell you that is we're going to see a lot of innovative things happening in next few quarters. One of the biggest change in the industry is the coming of the 5G. When the 5G technology hits the ground, that's where we're going to see a different evolution in the industry, especially in India. What we saw in the last 1 year, whatever people had predicted of the digital adoption that was supposed to happen in the 10 years span happened in just 7 months because of the pandemic. What we're going to see is a similar phenomena when the 5G rolls out. Now, what does that mean? That means you're going to see an increased demand, increased usage of humongous IoT devices. What those IoT devices will be? The devices which are on the edge of the internet. We call them edge devices. Those edge devices, what are they going to do? They're going to capture data points on the go, transmit them to the data centers. The data centers will analyze it on real time and provide actionable decisions to be made through those data. So what is required in this new coming world is the edge computing devices will require storage. And when you talk about IoT devices, one of the biggest change which is going to happen is you're going to have a change in the form factor of storage. Because if you have a spectacles, you need a storage in that. The size of the storage, the form factor of the storage will be different. You can have a storage in your ring. You can have a storage in your medical device. But what is required is, can you deliver a form factor based on the device of the IoT nature or the base of the nature of the device? That is where the new things will change. I represent Bivin. Bivin has been providing such kind of solutions in the market. This is called IC packaging. What we do is we go to different customers, we take the requirement, understand what are the storage requirements, and we can customize the storage chips for them. That is basically coming under the embedded storage as of now. But what we're going to see tomorrow, the storage on the go will evolve in itself in a numerous form factors, which will give a huge opportunity for people in this industry, for channel partners, for solution providers. So I would like all of you to focus on these new verticals which are going to emerge. New business models will emerge. New business opportunities will emerge for channel partners as well as solution providers as well as the consumers. So from my side, I would say storage on the go is going to be the buzz of the storage world, and embedded storage is going to gain a lot of importance. We at Bivin today, if you look at current scenario, we are authorized licensee manufacturers of Acer brand as well as HP brand of the storage vertical. On Acer, we do SSDs and DRAMs. On HP, we do SSDs, internal, external. So we recently got few recognitions from the channel also for that. In addition to that, the next big thing what we're going to see in India is the embedded storage market. So I'll stop at this point. If you have any questions, you can reach me directly. But I would say, look at this opportunity to monetize your future. Thanks.